If you are doing 100 days of code and learning the basics and just have your files locally, you probably wonder how you could get it out there onto the internet. Well, I'll show you a free website solution and how to edit it directly from VSCode. Navigate to 100daysofcode.chatium.com. On the front page, you can see a few examples of projects hosted here. Just click Start Here. This opens Project Templates page. Here, you can choose which template you want to continue with. Feel free to choose any project to play with its source code. If you'd like a minimal template, simply choose the top project and click Fork. This creates a temporary development environment. Click on Save It to create an account with this template to make it permanent. It will ask you for the email address to associate the account with. You don't have to go through any registration process. Simply provide the address you want to receive an authorization code to. Now specify the account name. It will also be used as a domain name. Later, you can set your own domain name like mydomain.com if you own such. At this point, your website is fully accessible on the internet at the account name .chatium.com. And you can make changes to it with either Web IDE you are seeing right now or VS Code. If you have VS Code installed, click on the Open in VS Code button. You will see this confirmation prompt. Press the Open Visual Studio Code button, then VS Code will ask you to install Chatium extension. After a moment, you will see Chatium button on the left. This button opens the list of Chatium projects. Click on your project to synchronize the source code. And once this is done, open the folder. It may prompt you to confirm if you trust the authors of the source code, but hey, this is your source code now. Now, I have VS Code side by side with Chrome, so on the left, I make a change to a file on my computer locally. Then I press save and this updates the code on the internet. Just that easy. Feel free to completely change the structure of the files, upload your own code, or go back and play with other demo projects.